In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Black Flash in Roblox Jujutsu Shenanigans. So first off, you just have to perform the Black Flash in Jujutsu Shenanigans by first picking the vessel as your character type or class. You cannot use this Black Flash if you are not using this type or class. And after doing that, you will be able to perform the move by performing the divergent fist skill. So the fist skill is like this. The fist skill is just number 3 button. So you just have to press 3 again once your character flashes white like in the image below, just like this. Well, once you see this, when it posts like this, you just have to press 3 again, and then the black flash or the diverging fist skill will literally perform itself. So once your character flashes white, just like this, press 3 again to perform a black flash. And that's it.